Hello and welcome for this video today. My name is Dasha and today we start our video with a question. Ever wondered where Mr. Darcy walked and Lady Catherine de Bourgh held court? Welcome to Belton House, a jewel of English heritage located near Grantham in Lincolnshire, the most beautiful place around the world located in England. It was built between 1685 and 1687 by Sir John Brownlow. This magnificent estate is often described as the finest example of the Carolean architecture. For over 3 centuries, Belton House was the proud seat of the Brownlow family, but you may also recognize it from the 1995 BBC adaptation of Pride and Prejudice, starring Colin, Firth and Jennifer Ehle. In the series, Belton House appeared as the grand Rosings Park, home of Lady Catherine de Bourgh. Let's step inside and begin our tour. First, the marble hall welcomes us with its grandeur. From there we move to the Saloon, offering breathtaking views of the Dutch garden. The Tapestry Room dazzles with the vibrant colors, followed by the red drawing room and the elegant library. Film fans will love the Blue Room, featured in Pride and Prejudice. Then comes the breakfast room and the famous Hondecoeter room, named after the Dutch artist celebrated for his bird paintings. This very room was used in the series when Lady Catherine de Bourgh received her guests. Upstairs, 3 bedrooms showcase timeless elegance, including one designed with exquisite Chinese wallpaper. Don't miss the quirky library chair, designed for reading as if you were riding a horse. Stepping outside, the west courtyard leads us to the Italian garden, full of colorful, beautiful flowers, complete with a fountain and a conservatory. Inside the conservatory, you will find another set of beautiful, colorful flowers. Nearby stands St. Peter and St. Paul's Church, followed by the Dutch Garden, another filming location. Wander further to discover the sundial, mirror pond, maze, enormous bench, and a woodland lake with Anthony Salvin's boathouse. This is very picturesque spot, specifically lovely for the nature lovers. Also, there is a deer park that is simply unmissable. And now let's talk about a special event in 2025, Christmas at Belton House. From November 22nd to the January 3rd, Belton House will transform into a festive wonderland. I will put the link of the Belton House website, where you can navigate through this website and book the ticket for this event. Expect twinkling lights, dazzling trees, brand new light trail, and a magical after dark experiences. Warm up with the hot chocolate and pudding wraps as you soak in the holiday spirit. Visiting is easy. Take the train to Grantham, then hop on the bus number 1 or 27 straight to Belton House. And this concludes our journey to Belton House. Belton House is an estate of history, beauty, and cinematic fame. I hope that you loved this journey. If you loved it, put the like, write your comments in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel, and join me for more adventures and music. And this is the end, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.